Welcome to Innovent Foods. Today I am showing how to bake a soft and fluffy vanilla cake using a regular curry pan. No oven needed, just simple ingredients and the right technique. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 eggs and separate the yolks and whites. Beat the egg whites until fluffy and keep aside. Now beat the egg yolks. Add half cup powdered sugar. Mix well until dissolve. Add 1/3 cup oil. One teaspoon vanilla essence. Add 2 tablespoons milk. Take 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Sieve gradually into the batter. Add 2 tablespoons milk and mix gently. Mix egg whites into the batter carefully to keep it airy. Fold egg whites gently. Take 2 tablespoons batter in a separate bowl. Add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon milk. Mix well. Grease oil in a 6-inch glass mold. And pour the vanilla batter. Mix line with the cocoa mixture. creates pattern with a stick. Whipped egg whites give extra softness. Cocoa patterns create a marble effect. Vanilla cake is one of the most versatile desserts. Place a curry pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Use a wire stand to prevent direct heat. Place the mold inside and cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Always preheat the pan for even cooking. Keep flame medium-low throughout baking. Curry pan baking works like a stovetop oven. Homemade cake has no preservatives. Eggs provide protein and structure. Controlled sugar makes it lighter. Freshly baked cake tastes better and cleaner. Your vanilla cake made in a regular curry pan is soft, fluffy, and beautifully patterned. Perfect for tea time or small celebration. Try this method at home and share your result. Follow In Oven Foods for more no oven baking ideas.